Want to share your Tesla? Adding a driver via the Tesla app is simple. First, open the Tesla app on your phone. Tap the vehicle icon, then select Controls. Next, navigate to Safety and Security, and then Manage Drivers. Here, you'll find the Add Driver option. This allows you to grant another person access to your Tesla. As of late 2024, you can manage drivers across multiple Tesla vehicles from the same app interface. After tapping Add Driver in the Tesla app, you'll be prompted to enter the driver's email address or phone number. Make sure to use the contact information associated with their Tesla account if they have one. It's important that the email or phone number you enter is linked to their existing Tesla account. This ensures they can access the vehicle securely through the app ecosystem. Once the contact is entered, the Tesla app will guide you through setting up permissions for the new driver. You can choose from options like full access for trusted drivers or limited permissions for specific situations. For enhanced security, Tesla introduced biometric verification in 2024. This helps ensure that only authorized individuals are added as drivers to your vehicle. During the verification process, you'll need to use your phone's camera for facial recognition. This biometric step confirms your identity before the driver invitation is sent. When adding a driver to your Tesla, you can customize their level of access to suit different needs. The app offers several permission options that control what each user can do with your vehicle. The main permission levels include full access, where the driver can control everything including software updates, driving only, which allows driving but no system changes, and valet mode, which restricts features like trunk access and is perfect for services. As of 2025, Tesla's AI analyzes usage patterns to suggest appropriate access levels automatically, making setup faster and more personalized for different drivers. The primary owner maintains full control over all user management with the ability to add, modify, or remove any driver at any time through the Tesla app. Need to grant temporary access to your Tesla? Use the Share Access option in the app. This generates a temporary key via QR code or a link that expires automatically after a set time, up to 7 days. It's perfect for lending your Tesla to a friend or family member for a short period. Open the Tesla app and select your vehicle. Then tap Controls, Safety and Security, and choose Manage Drivers. Select Share Access to generate a temporary key. This creates a QR code or link that the recipient can use. The key expires automatically after up to 7 days, ensuring temporary access only. This feature is especially useful for ride-sharing services and rentals, which are becoming more common as of 2025. Security is paramount when managing access to your Tesla vehicle. Tesla takes multiple measures to protect your data and vehicle. All interactions within the Tesla app are end-to-end encrypted, meaning your data is protected from the moment it's sent until it's received, preventing unauthorized interception. As of 2025, Tesla has been enhancing security protocols to combat unauthorized access risks, including biometric verification and AI-driven access suggestions. Always ensure your app is up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Be cautious about sharing your login credentials, as this could compromise your vehicle's security. Two-factor authentication is highly recommended for an added layer of security, requiring a second verification step beyond just your password. Let's look at troubleshooting common issues and compatibility requirements for the Tesla app. The Tesla app is compatible with iOS version 16 and later, as well as Android version 12 and later. Make sure your device meets these minimum requirements for full functionality. If you encounter issues, start with basic troubleshooting. First, try restarting the Tesla app by closing it completely and reopening it. If restarting the app doesn't help, try restarting your phone. This can resolve temporary connectivity or app performance issues. Make sure your Tesla vehicle's software is also up to date. You can check for and install updates directly through the Tesla app in the software section. Occasional bugs in Tesla software updates can sometimes cause temporary glitches in the app. However, Tesla typically resolves these issues quickly with over-the-air software updates. As of 2025, over 80% of Tesla owners actively use the app for managing drivers and vehicle access. Looking ahead, expect more AI driven personalization in access management. AI analyzes usage patterns to suggest access levels, such as limiting permissions for teen drivers or short term borrowers. Experts predict that by 2027, fully decentralized access via Web3 integration might be possible, allowing users to manage keys without relying solely on Tesla's servers. This brings enhanced privacy and security. As shared mobility continues to rise, these advancements will become increasingly important. The rise of shared mobility helps democratize vehicle sharing and makes Tesla ideal for families or ride sharing purposes.